Ready to excite your students with computer science and AI? This lesson is called Drop from the Top. Students will explore the concept of loops and how to run the same sequence of code multiple times. We kick off with a big question to spark curiosity. How would you design an exciting amusement park ride? Question ties directly into real-world concepts, like different types of amusement park rides, making it relatable to both students and teachers. We will explore the topic through the computer science concept loops. In groups of 4, each student picks a minifigure, which indicates their roles in the collaborative building process. Students will build a drop tower and discuss how the ride might work. Then it's time to get hands-on with coding. Students will open Coding Canvas, enter the PIN, and connect their hardware. Each lesson has starter code and a small selection of coding blocks to choose from, making it easy to get started. Simply drag and drop coding blocks into a loop to create a movement pattern. Groups will explore what happens when they change the code and create loops to repeat sequences. They could tinker with number of rotations, number of times the loop repeats, and more. Then, students use what they've learned to make their ride more exciting. The group is split up. 2 students build a theme for the ride, while the other 2 iterate the program. Later, they swap, so everyone gets hands-on with building and coding. Students present their rides to the class and talk about how they tested and iterated with loops. At the end of the session, students will be able to say, I can describe how a loop works. I can use loops in a program. I can iteratively test and develop a program. This is the first of 4 lessons in the loops unit. As students progress, they will explore nested loops and practice debugging code. At the end, they apply what they've learned through an open-ended design challenge. Ready?